It's a little after 4 in the morning when a translucent shape appears out of nowhere and seems to activate the Ring doorbell 6 times before it moves away and disappears. Now, usually I would just write this off as a spider web that's too close to the lens, but a spider web can't ring a doorbell 6 times.
That looks like a zipper right there. So it looks like a reflection maybe from inside the house from that camera. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know why the doorbell would be ringing. It's kind of weird. See, they would have had to have filmed the outside of the house after it happened, showing the camera where it is and everything for me to understand, you know.